In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import clients in Hubstaff. Understanding this process will dramatically streamline your workflow and ensure all your client data is efficiently managed within the platform. Let's dive in and go through this process step by step. First things first, you're going to need access to your Hubstaff account. So go ahead and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look towards the top menu where you'll find a tab labeled Project Management. Click on this tab to get started. This section is where you'll manage all your projects and clients, so it's pivotal in managing your organization's activities effectively. Now, with Project Management open, you should see a small drop-down arrow next to your different project options. Click on this drop-down arrow. It's going to reveal additional management options for you to work with. This might seem like a small detail, but it opens up the necessary functions to help manage various elements within Hubstaff, including your clients. After you've clicked the drop-down, the next step is to locate and click on the Clients option. This is an essential step because this particular section will be your go-to for handling everything client-related within Hubstaff. You'll be automatically navigated to the Clients page, where all your existing client information is displayed, along with options to manage it. On the Clients page, look for the Import Client button. It should be quite visible and easy to find. Click on it to start the import process. This button is crucial as it initiates the importation of client data into your Hubstaff account, allowing you to conveniently compile all your client information in one place. Now, once you've clicked Import Client, the platform will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. It's essential to carefully follow these prompts as they will instruct you on how to proceed with the import process. These steps are designed to be intuitive and self-explanatory, ensuring that even if it's your first time, you can complete the import without any hassle. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have all your clients imported into Hubstaff in no time. This process not only saves you time, but also keeps your client data organized and easily accessible. Using Hubstaff's robust client management features will enhance your project management capabilities and help maintain seamless operations within your organization. If you have any questions or run into issues along the way, remember Hubstaff's support resources are always available to provide further guidance. Thanks for joining me today, and happy importing!